All right, perfect. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to, I think, the last live stream of 2021. Probably, maybe we'll do one or two here and there randomly, but officially, this is the last live stream of 2021 until January 15th, 2022. Looking fresh. Yes, got a haircut today. All right, let's see here. We got a lot of things happening here today. Let's take a look on gold. Gold is ranging. We have some massive mountains to climb here on gold. All right, so we had pound CPI was pretty positive, something we talked about earlier on when we sent the analysis here, and looks like we did break above 15700, moved on till 151 almost, and now we're retracing over here. Perfect, very nice. I think a retracement to continuation towards upside. I think that's going to be much better. All right, let's start with the daily on gold, and let's break this down. Now, what we were talking about was that we're coming up to a very strong rejection area, right? This is an extremely strong rejection area. You can look at 1767, huge rejection at 1758 as well, back on the first week of November. We had another rejection December 2nd, and we're at the same area now. Now the question is, will FOMC bounce from here, and then will we continue pushing up? That's the whole problem at this point, right? So looking on the 4-hour time frame, we're coming down to a support. We rejected here before. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we're just consolidating. Now looking at the 1 hour, we do have a support down to 1767, and you can see how this zone now becomes a big fat zone here, right? So we gotta kind of like make it a little bit more thin over here. We gotta readjust this zone right here. Perfect. Now looking at the 30-minute, yeah, we have the support here on the 30-minute time frame now on gold. So yeah, gold is probably just consolidating over here. We have some news to wait for. We have retail sales data. Yeah, we got a lot of things coming in at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, so we'll have to wait. Hey Roger, you got the cold? Yes, I got the sniffles. A little bit of a cold over here. How'd you know? How'd you know I got the cold? Alright. Yeah, we'll have to wait for gold. I think from a scalp perspective, I don't know. Like, we got this one range, it's like a 30 pip range over here. We'll have to wait. We'll have to wait for retail sales data on gold, because if we can break above 1771, we got like what, 1772, not enough range. We'll have to wait for a price to kind of like, break out of this entire BS zone. I think a much better buy is going to be above 1776, 1777. Going all the way back up towards 1784, correcting all this move from yesterday. Yep. That's something. Oh yeah, and then we also have this zone down over here too at 1762. 50 pip range, 40 pip range. Yeah, 50 pip range over here. Perfect. So we'll have to wait. Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting over here. Do you expect gold to go to the upside with the FOMC? Man, anything can happen. That's the whole problem. Because look, like they're gonna keep the rates the same. When they keep the rates the same, that's good for the dollar, right? So essentially gold should go down, but then we also got the press conference, which we're not sure what they're going to talk about in the press conference. If they start talking about, let's say, the inflation, that should punch gold bullish, because inflation is not good. It's bad for the dollar, so it should continue pushing up. Are you ready for the vaccine? Yes. Third one coming up for everybody. Alright, let's take a look at pound yen over here now. Pound yen. Yeah, we're just consolidating here in pound yen. 30-minute time frame, perfect consolidation. You can see how the candles are printing side by side. Yep. We're just consolidating on pound yen. Let's look to the left-hand side over here. Looking to the left-hand side, if we do break above 150, let's say 970, 960, maybe the next resistance is like 14, 15 pips away. Not much. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, then we're looking at for price to come up towards 151, 370. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we start breaking below 150, 750 to correct this move up, 25 pip range, or what? Yeah, or what? Or what happens? What happens? Are you doing the FOMC stream? No. FOMC is going to be at midnight here for me, so I don't know, man. I'm not going to do that. Can you explain yesterday's sells on gold? Yes. Let's see here. Gold. Yesterday sells on gold. The best way to explain them is going to be on... Okay. So, this is where I closed my swing trade. My failing swing trade. You can see where I took it. I took it yesterday, day before yesterday, Monday, I guess. Up over here. Price came all the way down. Essentially, I should have closed it as we broke below the low of the previous daily candle. Should have closed the trade right there. But this is based off of the monthly, so whatever, right? Price went down, and then I closed it right over here. I closed it when I realized that we're not going to continue moving up, so it makes no sense to hold the sell, right? Pretty much after NY Open, we're moving into the new 4-hour candle. So this is when the new 4-hour candle was starting. This area right here, we had clean traffic to the left-hand side. This candle broke the low of the previous candle on gold right here, took an entry, and then we moved down about 33, 34 pips, and that was the trade I took. This was this week, right? Last 3 days. Okay, yeah. So this was the sell right here. Took it for price to move down. If you can look on the 5-minute time frame, it's much better seen on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, see this candle formation. This was the low on the 30-minute. We broke below the low, broke below the 5-minute. Entry taken. Boom, price went down. Anticipated to move down further, but I was like, okay, you know what? It's okay. And then yeah, that was it. So right now we're just consolidating on pound yen. We're consolidating on gold here today. So you gotta eat your broccolis so that your mind can work in, these kind of ways over here. Gotta be fluid. Pablo B rages your hair. Oh, correlation between gold and USD is weakening. I'm not sure if it's weakening unless gold is being backed by some other currency. I don't think it's weakening at all. All right. Your voice is different. Yes, it's called growth. When you grow, your voice changes, right? All right. Will you be trading stops with news coming up? I'm not sure. The only thing what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to have buy stops for FOMC because, yeah, I'm going to try to have buy stops for FOMC. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, look at this. Interest rates, press conference. Ooh, this is going to be a nasty press conference. Please reschedule our meetup. Yes, we will for next year sometime. Watching you at the airport, boarding in 30 minutes. Oh, nice, man. You're flying in this pandemic? Damn. When will we be back after holidays? Probably 15th January. Hey, Raja, I'm waiting for gold sales below 1766. Do you think CPI will move it in the buys instead? CPI? What kind of CPI are you waiting for? There's CPI today? There's no CPI to move gold. Man, you're looking at some, I don't know, Mr. Aman Sharma. I have no idea, Aman Sharma, what are you looking at? But there's no CPI that's going to move gold. But yeah, below 1766 looks good. Because then we got a support till 1763. What do you think of gold sells earlier today at 1769 after closing below support? Yeah, made sense. Right here, I guess. Made sense. When will be able to purchase London Bootcamp? To be honest, I wanted to have the London Bootcamp link up today, the 15th December, but I'm not sure what the lockdown situation is in the UK. I'm not sure what's going on over there. So I'm kind of on the sidelines here for that as well. Let's see here. Omicron. UK. Oh wow, look at this. UK braces for 1 million cases. I don't know what the hell's going on, man. They're already calling for 1 million cases. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going to happen in the next month. Got one person wearing the mask. We got everyone just chilling over there. The COVID spreaders, man. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, probably gonna wait. Probably gonna wait for another, 2 weeks to see what the situation is, and then we're gonna do it. No lockdown yet, but they enforce masks and passports for large venues. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think that's gonna be very normal for people. Okay, let's take a look at this over here. Pound yen. I go in when news shot up, and then a stop loss. You went in when the news came. Okay. Here. It's close 50%, lost 3% on today. Here's the problem. So you got to look at it. So just lost a trade. So you got to look at it in a way that, okay, I lost a trade. How could I have still been in this bullish bias, right? First of all, your stop loss, I'm not sure why it's at where it's at. I think it should have been below the candle or even below the previous candle. So you would have still been in the trade. Also, you went in at the news time, which is a no-no. So this was a bad trade to begin with, right? I think a better trade would have been to let the news candle close and the next candle close bullish. Once this candle broke above the high of the previous one, that would have been a much better trade. A better and safer trade for price to move up. What time was your gold entry yesterday? It was the start of the new 4-hour candle. NY session. Amazon have a book on Omicron listed from 5th December, how they write a book and get printed before variant comes out. They're super smart. Hey, Raja downloaded a demo account and I saw a $12 commission on one lot trade. Man, you're complaining as if it was a real $12 commission. It's demo. Just relax. How do you post a chart? You go to camera button and then you click on copy link to the chart image. Yeah. You click that and then something's going to happen. Oh yeah. And then you just paste it in the chat and there you go. Oh, who did I send it to? Yeah, right there. Will you be doing a simulation this weekend? This help you out? Simulation. Okay, I will. We will do a simulation for everybody this weekend. There you go. We're coming up to a holiday season, so I think that's actually no. Hold on. Not this weekend for you guys in the gulag. I have to make you guys wait. Oh yeah, this weekend, because the next weekend we got Christmas. This is going to be my Christmas gift to everybody. I traded GJ News Wickfill. Was that absurd? No, I think it worked out. You know, news was good. Pretty solid news. They were expecting solid numbers. Look at this. 5.1%. Very, very solid numbers over here. Very solid numbers. Do you ever enter trades on the retest, or do you favor getting in at the break of the previous high? I focus on getting in on strong bullish candles. That's what I focus on to get into. Heather here. Met you in Pindi at your house. Oh, yes. At my house. Which one? Hey, Raha, will you stream this live stream the simulation? Yes. Who do you contact at Dominion for Magic Keys? You email incentives@dominionmarkets.com. You know what? I need some advice. I'm trying to get some things. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at this, and then we're gonna get some advice. I'm trying to get myself a gift. Pound yen. This is support. Buys above 151. Yeah, I think we'll need to see a candle to kind of like close like this. Yeah, we'll need to see a candle to close just like that, so that the next one can break above the high and then continue pushing up. Bear phase and phase that you were shifting in. Oh yes, nice. Heather, I remember now. मुझे याद आ गया. याद आ गया है. What are the strategy that you use to change your bias? I don't know. Whenever you take a look at the trade, you look at the buys and the sells. Look at this now. Gold is trying to make a move. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to make a decision whether to get the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 or a MacBook. I think MacBook and the Surface Pro 8 are the same things. Oh, here we go. MacBook, hands down. I don't know, man. You can even write on the Microsoft, and I can have all my Windows applications on this Surface Pro. Yeah, I don't know. New member 5 from 5 this week, feeling great. Oh, amazing, David Maxwell. Very, very nice. Yeah, we got MacBook. Wow. Yeah, I think Surface battery is pretty good. Yeah, there we go. MacBook isn't user friendly. That's correct. MacBook is not user friendly at all. I think you got to get used to it. For trading, Microsoft. For anything else, Mac. Yeah, you know what? I'm not going to be doing any big video rendering or anything like that. Surface Pro tablet is no good. Oh. Let's take Surface Pro 8. This is what I was looking at. Surface Pro 8. I was looking at this one. Oh no, not this one. I was looking at this one. Platinum. I think this is the tablet, but it comes with a keyboard here as well. Yeah. That's what I have. Surface Pro. Never skipped a beat in 2 years so far. Perfect. David Maxwell, saved. I'll tell Microsoft to send you a commission check. I'm going to get this. I'm going to get this on Sunday. Yes. You can't change SSD or battery. Oh, that's fine. It comes with a 1 terabyte SSD. You know, the only thing I'm going to be using it for Excel and yeah, that's about it. Excel and yeah, that's it. Why did you choose that one? What makes it different from the others? I don't know. I liked when people would send me charts and their charts would have like nice clean writings on it. and lines, this and that. So I was like, why, how'd you guys do that? They're like, oh, we have the Surface Pro. So yeah. What's this? How do you trade news when price starts moving before news is announced? You don't trade news. Here's the thing about trading news. You don't think about trading news. You don't plan on trading news. You don't focus on trading news. You know, and you definitely don't come to the charts because you're going to trade news. News, you stay the fuck away from news, right? You just look at the news, you're like, okay, news is going to happen. I'm just going to, sit tight and I'm just going to watch what happens. You choose one news: CPI, interest rate, NFP, FOMC, retail sales, unemployment, whatever that is. You sit, you watch the news, you're like, okay, perfect, it's moving. Awesome. After the news moves, then you take a look at that and ask yourself that, okay, how could I have been in a trade and, maybe made some money from this news? Now, one news may happen maybe like, once a month. If it happens once a month, then you got to take a look at that news maybe for the next 7 months. So for 7 months, you're going to just sit like a duck and you're going to watch the news. You're going to see it happen. You're going to say, okay, like, interesting. Makes sense. Looks good. And then one fine day, you're going to toddle along and you're going to say, okay, you know what? Let me just try to see how let me just execute on this news and see what happens. But in the beginning, you stay away from news. You don't do anything when news comes in. So you stay away from news. Last couple of trades of mine hit stop loss because it placed them at around 10 to 12 pips. There's a problem right there. If I have placed them at more logical, where wider stop loss trade would have hit TP. Should I lower my lot size place? Yes, you should lower your lot size. And what you should do is you should do this. If you have a stop problem, I feel bad for you, son. I got swing trade problems, but stop loss ain't one. Alright, so this is what you should need to do. Go to go to the database and watch this risk management virtual class. Go over this. Alright. It's so easy to sell Raja for any Microsoft because he already likes them. Yes, that's correct. That is correct. What the hell is this? GU looking at a buy here if you break the high. Yeah, this is a 30-minute time frame. This is a problem, right? You got rejections over here. It's going to be better to wait for price to break above this resistance. Yeah, it's going to be better to just wait to break above that resistance because this wick over here is not enough range. Not enough range. No. I would go for the iPad Pro. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go with Surface Pro because I can play Dota in bed with the Surface Pro. And you can't play Dota on a MacBook or the iPad. There we go. Decision has been made. Easy decision. Can you show us, please, the second trade you did yesterday, the buy on gold? There was no buy on gold. there was no buy on gold. Probably it was someone else from another stream. Hey, Raja, I'm from Iran. Please explain more about trading in gold. I think what you should do is go through the YouTube channel we have right here with hundreds and hundreds of videos. Literally, hundreds of videos. You can go through all these videos and there's some really good trades taken on gold. Look at this gold flash crash simulated. We have so many videos on gold over here. We have someone placing their hands over their heads too. So you can go through all these videos and you can learn how to trade. Wow, so many videos. So much holy, 2 years ago now. So much consistency. So you can see in the start we used to get like 7,000, 8,000 views, 6,000 views, and now in the start again at like 22,000, 20,000, 23,000. So yeah. I felt the consistency coming, but the last 2 months has been very bad. Hope it was something that was part of this trip. Yes. Yes. I think whenever you see things not working, it's mostly to do with some sort of risk management or haphazard entries into trades or entering trades with haste. That's where it is. When a candle closed above below support resistance level, should we always expect a retrace before placing a trade? Theoretically, yes. Because when a candle is formed, it creates a top wick and a bottom wick. So theoretically, yes. So let's say if a candle, let's say there's a candle that closes below the support and expect the next candle to go down, I'm probably going to anticipate the next candle to wick up and then move down. You know, in the perfect world example. All right, what's this? Should you have taken this trade? Let's take a look here. No. This one is GU. Strong push retrace. 30-minute time frame. No. I wouldn't have taken this trade because there was this rejection right here. There was this rejection. Is Surface Pro 8 good for trading? I'm not sure. Once I get it, I'm gonna let you know. Actually, let me just tell the guy right here. Okay. Could you tell how could I enter GJ buy trade at London session? No, that's in the past. We already talked about that though anyway. Hello, I'm from Malaysia. This is my first time viewing your live trade. Nice to meet you. Hey, Ken Master. Nice to meet you too. This is probably your first and the last time to see the stream this year. We will be back next year. The first and the last time you're going to see this year. But welcome. Bearish flag pattern. Thank you. If current 30-minute candle closed bearish on gold and next one break the previous low, is that a good entry since we are in bearish trend? No, we have to break below 1767. All right, let me eat some broccolis here. Okay, now we got a very useless question here by Suave Martinez. What's the fastest you've seen candles move? The two trades on your yesterday Instagram story, please. Oh, we already took a look at that. Zin Hei Ook, Netherlands Traders. Someone in Nordic trying to speak to us. It's like when you try to speak English to a dog and the dog's like, huh? I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I know you don't advertise your course, but please, can you help me? Where do I look for it? Holy, where do I look for it? If you can't find it, you can't get it. The homeless investor. What's this? All right. There's a lot of Gulag asking, what is Dota? Dota is a game. Yes, Dota is amazing. I used to play Dota all the time. Dell Inspiron 15, 5,000 for trading. Actually, I have another pretty good laptop. It's sitting right over there. Right there. It's right there. That one. I use that to print stuff. That's all what I use it for. That one just sits there so I can print stuff. Alright. Don't get MacBook for trading if you're planning to use MetaTrader, as now MT5 doesn't work for Mac's OS. I had to downgrade Mac OS to Mojave so it can run MT5. That's correct. What are your thoughts on League of Legends? Alright. Where do you play it? Oh, can I invest in your backend? Can I invest in your backend for your broker? There's nothing to invest in. Okay. Gulag is going crazy now. Okay, let's take a look at Juber. Gold breaking resistance and closing above, trading the next candle as it breaks previous high would be okay. We should wait because of short range or Newsweek. We should, I mean, if we measure this range, it's like a 14 pip range over here. Let's take a look on the 1 hour. 20 pip range. Yeah, I mean, it would make a little bit sense. It's going to be risky, I would say. Yeah, I would say it's going to be a little bit risky. I would wait for the retail sales data. That's what I would do. Hey, Raja, you are great. Oh, what's this? Saving money to be part of my community Magic Keys. You have great impact in my trading and personal life. Shukriya. God bless you. Oh, nice. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, 1771.50. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can get to 1773, but I think retail sales should be better. Let's take a look over here. So they're looking at, oh, they're looking at bad numbers. Core retail sales looking at bad data. Here, looking at bad data. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Shouldn't be bad data. Should be good data because, you know, holidays. So, I mean, I don't know. There are no lockdowns, because if there are lockdowns, then retail sales get affected because no one's going to go to the malls and buy stuff. But if you count that, okay, a lot of people are buying online, that should affect retail sales. So, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, everyone's grandma knows retail sales are higher. That's correct. It's very sad to hear that this is my first and the last time as a trader. Can you recommend me which part of your video playlist should I watch for learning purpose? Yes, Mr. Ken Master. Go to my YouTube channel and watch, probably watch this one, Forex 101. Watch this one, and then watch this one. What are wick fills? Waiting for 30-minute candle closes below support to possible sell. Makes sense. Makes sense. Got clean range to the left hand side. 891 down to, yeah, you got pretty solid range over 25-30 pips over here. Pretty solid range. I like it. Alina Delta. I purchased Magic Keys 4 months ago. Still, it's showing awaiting processing. Could you please assist? That's impossible. 4 months ago, and you still have your cool. That's impossible, you know. So, but just email Magic Keys and we'll get it sorted out, even if that's true. Man, no one stays that patient for 4 months. Will you be doing more simulations videos during the Xmas break? No. Raja, do you needed a Dutch guy? Yeah, like maybe 10 minutes ago, someone was trying to communicate with us. But it's all good now. Yeah, someone said something in Dutch. As news bring big volumes in the market, should we aim to trade after the news? Yes. Normally, what you're going to see is that the news is going to come right just before the 4-hour candle is going to close. So that's also going to be the closing of the new 4-hour candle and the starting of the new 4-hour candle. So the news 30-minute candle, let it close, and then the new one start. It's probably going to show you some sort of a direction. So we'll see. In the database, I see simulations, but could you add date on video name? The date, yeah, it's going to be very hard to add dates, but it's all in order. The bottom one is the latest one. As you go up, is like a 2-week before. Can I see current spread on GJ in Dominion markets? I just want to compare it with my broker. Thanks. Yeah, I'll show you, but it's not going to help you at all. I think any spread, if it's below 2 pips, is perfect trading conditions. If it's below 2 pips. Oh, gold is less than a pip here for a little bit. Oh, what? Gold is less than a pip? Pound yen is almost a pip? What's going on over here? Why is the spread so tight? Not complaining, but yes, it's awesome. Got pretty cool spreads over here. Very, very calm. Look at that. 1 pip spread on gold. Yeah, man. Dominion markets, go sign up today. Look at these spreads. USD CAD less than a pip. Everything is less than a pip. Pretty crazy. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Wish I could manipulate the spreads, but sorry, I can't. Oh, now it's getting back up. But yeah, these are regular spreads over here. Less than 2 pips is still fine, you know. What's Doha or Dota? It's Dota, D-O-T-A. What's your personal YouTube channel? Holy shit, man. What's my personal YouTube channel? What are you gonna do with my personal YouTube channel? What? There's nothing you can do with my personal YouTube channel. Doesn't even, I don't know, man. That's, if you can find it, you can find it. Can you show history of old account with other broker advantage? I'll have to download the MetaTrader for that. I don't even have that anymore. Can you show? Oh, what's this? Can you show? You know, Raj, I realize you get paid so much in Forex to deal with these retarded questions on daily basis. Gosh, I've been watching you for years and I swear the questions get worse and worse. Thank you for pointing that out. That's actually correct. Alright, yeah, nothing's happening here, man. Pound, USD, nothing yet. This is the rejection I was talking about. This is why buy is going to be very difficult because of these rejections and how these candles are closing very, very weak. IC Markets has one of the best spreads. IC Markets. Oh yeah, all less than pip. Euro USD 0. Very, very nice. Very nice spreads over here. Euro GBP 1. Ooh. GJ. Ooh. Wow. IC Markets is huge, man. They do trillions in volume. Trillions. Trillions and trillions in volume. Last month we did almost like 4.6 billion in trading volume. It's not 4.6 billion dollars, it's trading volume. Two different things. IC Markets does trillions. It's insane the amount of volume they push through. They make their own markets, they have their own liquidity. Just wow, goals. Would buys on GJ make sense above the high of the 1-hour candle? Above the 1-hour candle? Yeah, above here. You'll need to see a candle close above. Because if you look at these candles here now, you can see how there was a rejection. Candle close with no wicks and no trade. Next one closed like this, rejection. So you need a candle to close above. Hey Raja, wanted to thank you for your amazing education and knowledge provided in the middle of October. I started my first online business and results have been amazing. Congratulations, man. That has carried over to trading as I'm no longer under pressure, but rather enjoy a process. Today I did my first ever four-figure withdrawal in trading. I'm 21 years old and aiming to hit six figures. Wow, man. Nick Renekia. I think I pretty fucked up that name, but very, very amazing, man. Amazing. You won for yourself. You should go get a Surface Pro 2 too. Oh wow, look at that. Gross volume, 22,000 pounds. Amazing. Net volume from sales, 21,000. New customers, 264. Oh, yesterday. And, oh wow, man, 600 pounds. Very nice. See, that's what I'm saying, man. Start something online, anything online. Start anything online. Because the job you're working at, whatever you're doing, when you start something online, it starts paying you, let's say like $10 a month, or even like $10 a week. You can start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. And once you understand that process, understanding the trading process, there's no difference. Then you're like, okay, you know what? This business is going to take time. Trading is also a business. So obviously this will also take time. But you're more patient with those processes. So very nice, man. Congratulations. Why not run a small account on neutral broker to clear doubt? Doubt about what? Mr. Rajasad wants to clear. Oh, he wants to clear his own doubt about me? Man, you can fuck out of here if you want to. I'm not going to. What? This guy wants to clear his own doubt about me. Sorry, I'm not looking for validation. Oh man. How do you get that pop-up thing on MetaTrader? Press F10. My market spread, but commission around $15 per lot size. Oh wow. Let's take a look here. Oh, that's not too bad. Zero spread, 15 per lot. 15 per lot. Yeah, I think it's like the same thing though. Because if you're trading one lot and you're paying $15, and let's say if you still have spread on pound yen for like 1 pip, right? 1 pip movement on one lot is almost 7.7. Yeah, that's a lot of commission. That's a lot of commission. No, I think it's still fine. Yeah, it's still fine. Even if the spread is 1 pip. It's kind of like the same thing. If there's no pressure to make money from trading, you can just do your thing. That's correct. Hi sir, thank you, but can you do tutorial on how to find light at the end of the tunnel? Put your hands like this, right? And close them tight. And then this one, loosen it a little bit. And then the end one, loosen it a little bit more. You can start to see the light. And as you remove the hand, the light gets bigger. And then the light gets bigger and bigger. That's how you find the light at the end of the tunnel. Gulag is going crazy today. I have 1 pip spread on gold and $0 commission. Very nice. Good for you. Alright. Having trouble installing crack simulator. Crack simulator. Could someone please? That's hilarious. You want to install the crack simulator? Yeah. It's so here's what you do. Sorry, man. The way you said it was just hilarious. The crack simulator. You go to the soft4fx.com. Head downtown. They're gonna show you how to install all kinds of crack. Alright, you go to this, and then it's gonna show you how to actually, let me just show it to you right here. So you take the file, right? You take the file, you go to file, you go to open data folder, and yeah, so you go over here on this website, and then it's going to show you how to install installation and startup. Yeah, oh yeah, there's a video right here. There's an actual video.
Hi. Today we will show you how to install Soft4FX Forex Simulator.
Yeah.
Let's open Soft4FX website and download the software.
Yeah, you can follow this boring robot. Yeah, see right here. Go to File, Open Data Folder, then go to MQL Expert. You paste it over here, and then you just restart it, and then you drag this over to a chart, and you just follow these things, and yeah, it's you don't need to do. Yeah, it's just gonna get installed. It's very simple. All right, we got gold breaking up over here. 30-minute candle closed above. If we can break above the high, 1771.57. When do you suggest increasing lot size? When you're confident in a certain setup. Let's say that you just focus on one setup and it has worked, you know, 5-6 times, and you're like, okay, you know what, I've been trading this one setup. Let's say, for example, the setup is right here. That if this new 30-minute candle, this is pre-New York moving into NY Open, if we break above the high of the previous 30-minute candle, and you can anticipate it to continue pushing up till 1773, this area, and you've seen it happen multiple times, then one day it's going to come, you're going to be like, okay, you know what, let me just use a higher lot size on this. Because you're comfortable, you've seen it before, you've done it before. Oh yeah, we already have it. I posted the crack version in the Slack, I think 2-3 days ago, in the general chat. So if you go there, you search crack, and then you'll find it. Sorry I'm late to your stream. Are you waiting for news? Yes. Is it worth trading until next year? Yeah, I'd say so. It's worth trading for next year. Wait. Is it possible upper circuit? I don't know what's going on. Upper circuit. Yeah, as you can see, we're just consolidating pound yen. Gold is whatever, retracing, you know. Hey guys, does anyone have a cracked version of the software? Is $99 a one-time fee for the software or monthly? This question is coming from a gulagger in the gulag, so we're gonna help him out over here. Go down, go down. It says $99 one-time payment. What do you guys, can't you guys read English, man? It says right here, $99 one-time payment. Holy shit, man. My God. Do you guys like troll on purpose, or is that how you just function? Like, Jesus, do you guys even pay your own bills? Hey, does this bill come monthly, or is it just one time? What the fuck? Crazy. Hope you guys don't breed, man. Isn't the range in gold small for a buy? Yes, it's small. It's a very, very small range, you know. But like, you know, that was only for explanational purposes. I'm Muslim. I won't use cracked version. It's haram. Awesome. I think they are one free, but that is they asked for a question. Okay. How many setups do you look for in the markets? One or two setups. Is there a correlation between US gold and pound yen? Not really, but coincidentally, sometimes it moves the opposite way. So people think there's a correlation. Not really, but coincidentally, sometimes it moves the opposite way. So people think there's oh, but coincidentally, sometimes it moves the opposite way. Hey Mac, I can hear myself.
Hey,
Good morning.
good morning. 1, 2, 3, check. These people asking about the crack version.
Man, whenever you come out on the stream,
Yeah.
your situation is at first like, okay, is this working correctly? Am I at the right
Yeah.
place?
Yeah.
Is it too broken?
I have a pretty bad headset. So I need to make sure I'm listened.
Okay, okay. Yes, we can
Mac is
listen.
the king of the gulags, man. He brings them with.
I'm the commander here.
Whenever I install MT4 on my PC, it installs as MT5. Oh, yeah, I think you're trying to install MT4 from the MetaTrader website. It's always going to install MetaTrader 5 for you. So what you need to do is you need to go to a broker that offers MT4 and download that. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone wants to... Oh. Can we trade the break and retest every day? Because sometimes it just break without retest. Yes. You can trade break and retest every day if that happens. But sometimes price just does not do a retest, just continues moving, which is perfectly fine because sometimes you're not going to get that trade, and that's just a part of life, you know. Just like when you see a really good person you think you want to marry, but you know you're not going to get that, and that's how things roll. Raja is sick. Thank you. What's the recommended lot size when you start trading with commissions? Oh, say 1 pip spread and $4 commission. Oh, $4. Been trading with 0.3 for 6 months, but 3 to 4 pip spread getting me kicked out of trades. Mariano Gomez. I don't know, depends on the money, the amount of money you have. Depends on where your stop loss placement is going to be, stuff like that. Yeah. I think you haven't taken the 3rd vaccination yet. No, they haven't made it mandatory yet. So I'm waiting. Yeah, we're just waiting. Consolidation on GJ Mon. Sir, would you take a sell in GJ if it breaks support, though it's in a bull? Yeah, I mean, you know, we got enough range. 150, 500. We could get there. The thing is, we're consolidating at this point, so we need to break below or break above. How can you be against the vaccine and get... How can you be against the vaccine? Tell me that. You know, we gotta... So selfish of you, man. So selfish of you. You gotta make sure your community is safe, your family is safe. We have now the new variant. It's killing people. There's gonna be 1 million cases in the UK, all because of you unvaxxers, you know, you COVID spreaders. You gotta make sure you get yourself vaccinated so we can stop it. We gotta keep our communities safe, guys.
Spreaders.
Yeah, spreaders. Any advice for runners? I'm horrible on getting on the habit. Well, you gotta run every day, man. You gotta run every day. You gotta start from running 500 meters and then pump it up to 1 kilometer. Oh, trading runners. You worded as any advice for runners. Um, yeah, I, I, I mean, here's the thing. Whenever you're going to take a trade, let's say you're looking at a buy, right? So you're going to take a buy on pound yen. It's going to move into like 10, 12, 15 pip profits, and then once it gets to like 10, 12, 15 pip profits, there's a certain doubt that comes in, right? And the doubt is, okay, you know what? I'm not sure whether it's going to go to my target. I'm not sure whether it's going to retrace. So I'm going to close the whole thing. You close the whole thing, price retraces, does its dance, whatever it needs to do, and then it moves on to its target. You're like, oh man, you know what? I knew it's going to move to my target. The best thing to do at that point is to, whenever you feel like you should be securing profits, secure 80% or secure 90% of your profits and let a small position run. Because the problem is not whether it goes to your targets or not, or leaving a runner. The problem is with confidence, right? You need to have enough confidence to even let a position run. So when you're securing 80%, 90%, you're securing most of the profits and you're letting a small position run. And when it runs to your target, you're like, okay, you know what? I was still in the trade. Even if it was a small trade, it still ran to my target. So now slowly you build confidence this way, and then slowly you start to see the same things. You start to let, like, let's say 40% run, you start to let 50% run, and then a day comes, you're like, okay, you know what? I'm going to gamble on letting the 100% run, So that's how you build confidence in letting your runners run. Same thing with running, by the way. You run with 500 meters, then 1 kilometer, then 2 kilometers, and yeah, so on and so forth. Pound AUD sell. Very, very, very nice. This is a trade right here. You were waiting for this trade. Candle to close below. Candle closed below and you took it. Very nice. Pound yen chart, you drew support, the most bottom one. Before that support, there's a minor resistance. So should that be taken into account? Oh, this one right here? I don't think so. I don't know. No, I wouldn't. No. Because if we're going to break the low, how much? This is like 14, 15 pips away. Yeah, could secure some profits and leave a runner down till here. We'll see. Ever thought of trading indices? Yes. Lost and never went back. Hey, I got a question. If it breaks resistance, is it 100% that it will go? No. Amazing vibes up in here. Oh, thank you. I don't know. Whenever I take a trade on small time frame, my TP get hit for 20 to 50 pips. But when I trade on high time frame, my stop loss get hits. Well, stick to small time frames. Any interest to come to Melbourne, Australia? Ah, shit, man. I don't know what you guys going on up there, but I'm gonna stay where I am. Australia still hasn't come out of the first lockdown. This is still stuck in the first one. Australia. Lockdown. Yeah, so that's what I heard. Australian anti-vaxxers 500 a pop freedom ball is cancelled. Oh, what? They're holding a freedom ball? Oh, Australia's COVID rules are a warning to the rest of the world. Oh, Australia's out of the lockdown. Oh, interesting. Yeah, but now we got this new variant. So, man, you guys were tough over there. Super, super tough. Yeah, I'll have to wait. I'll have to wait till everyone gets the 35th vaccine, and I think then we should be good. Should be good. When you wait for candle to close versus take the break of resistance. It depends. Right here we'll have to wait for the candle to close for this candle here. Raja, once you said you'll be the last person to get vaccinated, that's correct. In my family. Does anyone, if I have to buy the Windows 10 product key, if I want to install Windows on my Mac with Boot Camp? I don't know. You should ask
Oh, what
Mac.
is this? we're selling crack versions and giving away keys in here.
Mac knows all about the illegal stuff. You can ask him.
Yeah, no, don't ask me. I'll block you.
What do you mean? You live in the Bronx, man. I mean, aren't you guys
I
good
live
with
in
all that?
Queens. I live in
Queens.
Queens.
That's even worse. What do you mean?
Don't be saying I live in the Bronx.
It's even worse to live in the Queens.
No.
Do you have different MT5 trading view on gold? I have a 6 pip. No, I don't compare trading view to MT5. I don't do that. I just see price action, I execute. I don't sit around and just compare, oh, this is 2 pips away, this is 4 pips away. Ooh, which one should I get? No, I don't do that. Got to be mature. Oh, we got some here from Queens. Bronx is worse than Queens. Oh, I'm sorry. I've been watching you for 1.5 years and I just got consistency from 2 months. Oh, nice. Now I trade one lot, only one pair, and one session and one trade. Nice. Someone found the secret. Nice. One lot, one pair, one trade, one time, one session. Took you 1.5 years. You are aware that the vaccine doesn't prevent you from getting COVID, and the reason COVID is running rampant again is because of the vaccinated people who are going out in public. No, it's because of you unvaxxers. So we need to keep communities safe. You guys think it's a joke? It's not a joke, man. It's not a joke. Very sad situation what's happening around the world. All right. Hey Raja, I entered gold around 1772 yesterday. Can I still hold? Confirm me, please. So you entered a buy on gold 1772. Can I still hold? I don't know. Can you still hold? How big is your lot size? How does your margin look? You gotta ask. Oh, pound yen is breaking up now. Yeah, pound yen is breaking up now. Yeah, you got a tornado coming up here for gold. Retail sales, and then we got FOMC coming up. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But for pound yen, I would want this candle to close. This is a rejection area. So maybe buy above 151 would make sense on pound yen.
Yeah, I've been holding buys from 149,900.
Oh,
Yeah, I got my
oh.
first DP is at 151.
But can you prove it?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, nice. I wonder where she went. That lady talking
The crazy
options.
lady?
Yeah, the
Probably
crazy.
went back to the TV station.
Sure, you fucked up with that Costa Rica thing.
Yeah.
Man, oh man. All right. I can't believe Raja's joking about the vaccines he doesn't believe in. I don't know, man. You guys are just unreal. Whew. In the Balkans, especially in Bulgaria, people rather give away $5 to test themselves for 2-day certificate instead getting... Oh, wow. The certificate only lasts for 2 days. All right. We got 11 minutes left for the candles to close. Good luck with the trades, FOMC. Bye. Take care. Thank you for stopping by, Mr. A2DK. Do you believe in AFX? I have no idea what that is. I'm going back on most of your 2021 lives, backtesting GJ. I will be profitable 2022. Yes, you will be profitable. You will be profitable. Hey guys, which broker do you choose? There are a lot of brokers you can choose. You can just Google them, and there are a lot of them. A lot of good ones, a lot of bad ones, a lot of testing you can do around. Are you in GJ buys and trading weekly previous high? No, I am in no trades right now. Raja, isn't it better to look for buys above 151, 100? Yes, that's correct. No, I think above 151.020 would be good. Above 151, 100. That would also be good. But yeah, above this area would be good. With volume, we can expect price to continue bullish. What do you think about the funded program? It's great. It's great. Look at this. If this 1 hour candle can close bullish, the next one can continue moving up. Look at how these candles have been rejected. Look at this rejection right here, exhaustion, right? If we can close a strong bullish candle here, then we have another exhaustion right over here too, you know, rejection to continue pushing up.
Yeah,
So,
even 15 minutes also created like a good support.
yeah, exactly. Looks good. 8 minutes. Or break above the high. हिंदी में बोलो ना क्या बोल रहे हो हिंदी में नहीं बोलोगे Hi, from your experience during FOMC news, does gold always move? Oh, it doesn't matter if gold moves fake or real, it moves. It does move. What was your lot size when your account was 700? 20 cents. All right. We got gold trying to move here as well. Yeah, I do think pound yen should continue bullish. I do think so. We'll see. Explain about gold. Where is the one and only Ted? Why did you leave Canada? Can someone earn from Euro GBP in short position? Can someone earn from Euro GBP short position? Why is Euro GBP handing out money today? Euro GBP. The kind of questions you guys ask sometimes, I'm just like, what? Like, I mean, how can you come up with those questions? Short position. I think short below this support would make sense. Yeah. Oh yeah, short below that support would make sense. Not right now. Right now would be, oh, yeah, not right now. I don't think so. What do you think about Philip Bloom, 15-year-old trader? I have no idea who that is. Do you think the vaccine makes you lose IQ? I'm not sure. All right, look at that. Pound yen is breaking above the high at that point. Yeah, it should continue pushing bullish. What do you think, Mac?
Yeah, I definitely want to hit 151. close some partials and leave the rest to 153.
Yeah.
Come back in January. Yeah. Just take it out the park. Bing. Bing bong. But yeah, overall, I think it looks really bullish. You know, like once we start breaking above 151, 200, clear that daily wick to the left, and you know, it's off to the races.
Yeah. We just need to close in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, gold is also starting to pump up over here a little bit. 4 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour also looking good on gold. We have a lot of things in our favor here today.
Yeah.
We'll close very soon on gold here as well. Pound yen as well. A lot of things are gonna look a lot of nice. Blessed day, everyone. Blessed day, Mr. Burner. Thank you for stopping by. Yep, I think we're gonna reach 1773 on gold here if we do continue moving up. 1 hour candle should be closing above 1771, 1771, 40, 50, and then the next one should continue up. That's also going to be the retail sales data candle. Oh, nice. Look at that. 15 minutes. Oh. Oh. Yeah, we should come up towards 1773. I'm not sure why pound yen is not moving here, but I think it's going to move with the new candle open. Breaking above the high over here as well on gold. Lots of volume. We're moving into NY Open. The volume coming up with NY Open should continue driving price up. 1773. Are you concerned about yesterday's PA? No. Do you study Swamji Vivek? What the fuck? No. Hi Raja, your friend can spread virus throwing your live stream because it's wearing. Do you have any plan in future to do trading workshop in India? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. India is a very touchy thing over there. I mean, I don't know. They just banned crypto, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Da, 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 da. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left.
All right, I'm gonna go make some lattes.
Oh!
You want one?
Yeah, sure.
I'm becoming a fucking barista here. Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh.
I'm a fucking barista.
All right, pound yen is showing us some hope. All right, pound yen is showing us some hope. Oh.
He left the mic open, so now we're gonna have an echo.
Yeah, we're gonna have an echo here for sure now.
He left the mic open.
All right, do you own any crypto? Yes. XRP. Hi, is there delay in this stream? Yes. Jesus Christ, Mac. Hi, is there delay in this stream? Yes. Oh, anyway, gold is moving up now very, very nicely.
Yeah, I hope gold doesn't give me a somersault. I had a buy stop above the 15 minutes and then activated. So let's see if we get there to 1773.
Ooh, what price did you get?
Ended up entering at, where is it? 1771.
Ooh, I got in at 1771.80. Here's the
Oh,
somersault.
yeah, but we should be. I mean, I don't like the 30-minute candle, but we should be fine if we.
Oh, this is great. This will pump all the way bullish.
Yeah, the liquidity.
Yep, this is awesome. Look at that. We're gonna break above the high with NY open. This is the NY open before the news here as well. We're gonna rock it to 1773.50. Pound yen is whatever. Pound yen also closed in a way, kind of closed bullish above the zone. So now you got choices. Either you want to get in on gold or you want to get in on pound yen. This is the somersault you were talking about.
Yeah, so no, that's a normal one. Because we most likely should, but if we break below 1770.38, actually 3, then I would be really worried about that break.
Yes.
But no biggie so far.
Here comes the drums. How do you recommend me to start upgrading my account balance if I have more money to deposit? I would say probably look at how your profitability is. I basically cut my trade. I'll be looking to see how profitable you are, and based on that profitability, then you can say, oh, that okay, how much more can you afford to put in? You know, let's say you got $1,500 account and you want to add, like, let's say, you know, like 1,000 more, and maybe start by adding 500 more or something like that, 200, 300 more. Yeah, this is a somersault I didn't like, which is why I closed. 10 pips gone. Hi boss, good day. Please guide us about your watch list. How many times you see charts like hourly? I take a look at maybe 1 or 2 charts. That's it. Pound, yen, and gold. That's it. Those are the only 2 charts I look at. Will you take a buy on GJ? No. No, no, sir, no. Trying to order my Surface Pro over here. Surface Pro 8 Platinum.
You see that 30-minute candle that I really don't like that candle. I know that candle already. Whenever you see that candle with like a big wick opposite direction, you usually get kind of like that's why I said I don't like the 30-minute candle. I've seen it so many times happen in that one.
Yeah, this, once it comes down, let's say more than half, there's a high probability it's going to come down to fill this wick and just range. Or maybe it's going to set up for retail sales.
Yeah, it took me out 1770.3. That was the price I didn't want to break.
All right, Gulag. Hey, have you ever tested GA? It sometimes can go for huge moves. Oh, absolutely, it can go for huge moves. Mac, there's a nice subtle echo from your headphones. That's why we muted you. Yeah, it's not gonna go away if you shake it, trust me. Start shaking his headphones.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Fucking shitty ass headphones. Cheers.
Dollar store.
All right.
Nah, not from the dollar store. You know why you got sick? Because you're eating too healthy, man.
No, I'm good. I'm good now. It's because it's too dry over here. Yeah, it's way too dry over here.
It's like your first year there, right?
Yeah.
You gotta load up on carbs, man. And that broccoli and chicken gonna get you dehydrated.
Yeah, it's too dry.
Yeah, I was feeling like shit last week, man, because I was doing a lot of cardio and I was like cutting down a lot of carbs too. I was feeling like a zombie.
Oh wow. Pound, yen, gold, both coming back down. Nothing.
Getting ready for news.
Yeah. 80 degrees here in Puerto Rico. Oh, nice. When are you going to return to homeland Canada? I don't know. Probably for a vacation in summer. Maybe go on a North American tour or something like that. Oh, Vlad is now in the airplane now. Nice. Yes. We saw him go through security. Now he's in the airplane. Hey,
No wonder I'm like,
who's sitting
why is
next
he
to
done
you?
with that mask?
Oh, no one. Nice. Lucky guy. Yeah, I wonder where Vlad is headed at this time. They delayed on 30 minutes. Oh, wow. Heading to Pakistan. Yes. We have a conference here soon. Come on over. Raja a supporter of fascism? I don't even know what fascism is, man. I don't even know what that means. Fascism is a form of far-right authoritarian ultra-nationalism characterized by dictatorial power, forcibly oppression. Oh yeah, sure. I'm a big fascist.
You're the Pakistani Mussolini.
All these snowballs over here, man. Have you ever been to Winnipeg? Yes. Can you explain why you didn't take the buy gold? Of course I did. And I lost and I closed. So you think pound yen is bullish? Yes. No, it's consolidating right now. We got around 20 minutes left. All right, I'm getting my Surface Pro here on the 19th. Nice. A few minutes left here for retail sales data. See what happens.
What's going on? News? Retail sales?
Really?
No, I didn't check. I'm asking.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got retail sales data coming up. Retail sales data is coming up.
Probably gonna be
Son.
a dud. Big dud. It's Christmas.
All right. Oh, it all came to your bank account in 2 days. Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah, they're pretty quick. Within the US, North America, they're pretty quick. All right, time to gamble here today. Let's take a look at this chart. This is AUD USD buys on the 5-minute time frame. Very nice. Let's take a look here. Hope that you are okay. What did you think about Ichimoku? What did you think about Ichimoku? Nothing. Please explain why you didn't take gold buy. I did take a gold buy, man. I already answered you. Yes, I did. Day trading is best job ever. I find it so hard because I don't have enough money. Well, then I guess it's not the best job ever. Doing markets is white label. From January 2022, no. They expect bad runners on retail sales data. Does this mean gold should go up? I don't know, man. I think all this retail sales data news should be a little bit wishy-washy because we got a bigger tornado coming with the FOMC. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a big problem over here. Let's take a look at this chart. What's this? Oh, buys on pound yen. Very nice, Mac. We got sells. and then after a lot of hours you took a buy, then after a lot of hours you drew a trend line and you took a buy at the trend line.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Yeah. Not going as hard, but smarter trades.
Hey, did you close your monthly trade or is it continue? I lost it. Lost 23,000 on it. My servant is about to come upstairs. What's this?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम राजा भाई। यार राजा भाई, मैं असल में ना एक आधे खाते के अंदर जो है ना निकल रहा हूँ। आज एक डिनर नाइट थी ज़रा उसके लिए, तो मैं इंशाल्लाह कल परसों को टाइम मिलता है ना, तो मैं इंशाल्लाह फिर आप
I think who took the GJ trade would have waited for a wick down and then break off the high before entering. Yes, that's correct. We're still consolidating now at this point. I mean, this close above this was pretty good confirmation. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, yeah, but the way it kind of broke below the middle of the previous 30-minute candle, yeah, a little bit of an issue over there.
Yeah, the main issue with GJ right now is having a nice pullback, creating that higher low down to maybe 150, 500, 150, 800.
Yeah, that's true. हाँ तैमूर लेना. Can you do one-to-one session with your students? Yeah, that's why we do simulations. Oh, so nice. So refreshing. Hello guys, little bit late. Little bit late. You're a whole fucking 2 hours late. What about gold? 2 hours late, man. Little bit late. Jesus. When do you expect volume to come back after the holidays? I think by mid-January should be good. You know, should be okay. No, we pay our servant a pretty good wage. He gets pretty good wage. Around $84, was it? $84 a month. Have some ginger tea to stabilize your emotion after the gold lot. Yeah, that's what I'm having now. Ginger tea. Do you trade the retail sales or do you wait for the bigger moves on FOMC? Probably gonna wait for FOMC. The gulag. Gulag, like, bro. $84. All right. 84, not 82. Wow, you guys want me to pay him less. I bet your servant thinks you're God and making money from computer. No, actually, he doesn't know. He has no idea what I do. I stay home all day. I have my friends. They come over, go out every day. You know, some bring guns over. He just, I think he's very confused on what I do. What you think gold is the asset which play with emotions? What you can what? Hey Raja, what you think gold is? The asset which play with emotions? What you think can you share? I just don't know what you're trying to ask me. So it's an asset that plays with your emotions. Can I share? I don't know. We got 10 minutes left over here now. That's kind of slavery. It's not slavery, man. It's very normal. $84 is a very good wage here for a month. Did you ever consider day trading stocks? No, I did not. I feel like you need to do a lot of information hunting on those. I feel like you need to do a lot of research. Maybe there's some aspect of, or like maybe a huge aspect of technical analysis, but I just haven't. No. How you deal with volatility of gold? I stay away from volatility of gold. Is Vlad on an airplane? Yes. He's on his way to a secret location, which he hasn't disclosed yet. So we're going to keep it that way. Hey, how about you double his salary on New Year? He will be super happy and it doesn't matter for you anyways. Yes, it does. Doubling his salary means giving more away. Like, what are you, stupid? It does matter. This guy's saying. Jesus. You know, he's going to be the highest paid servant in the whole neighborhood. What do you mean? No, really, he's going to be the highest paid one in the neighborhood. Even graduates, he's going to be making more than graduates.
He's gonna be hiring his own servant.
Yeah.
You know,
Damn.
you can't break the rules.
Yeah, you can.
It's breaking the ecosystem. You can't do that.
Yeah, exactly. You can break the ecosystem. We have a lady who comes in once a week to iron our clothes. Yeah, we pay her $14 a month.
Bro, that's good. Believe me. In Cuba, $14 a month. That's like probably like 1,400 a month. Maybe?
Yeah, but in US dollar, this just seems so less. But here, it's
yeah.
okay. You know, it's good paid.
You can't even get a haircut with that.
Yeah, she comes in for 1 hour once a week. So for every hour, she gets $1.60. Well, no, 300 rupees. Ignore this. $1.69. It seems, yeah. What are the tasks of the servant? One of the tasks is to bring me green tea. Cleans the driveway, cleans the cars, cleans the living room, cleans all rooms, sometimes sweeps the washrooms, cooks food. But
Meal preps.
But he gets lodging, he gets food, he
gets love.
No, he eats whatever he wants at our house. You know, he gets lodging. We bought him a heater, we bought him new shoes, sneakers, and we bought him some washing shoes. Bought him sweaters, so he's warm while he cleans my car. Yeah, you know. I ask him once a week, "You good over here?" He's like, "Yep, yeah, perfect." We increased his pay as well. He used to get $78.72, so 14,000 rupees. We increased it to 15,000, so now he gets 84. He was pretty happy. He's still going to run away someday. No, I know where he lives. And he thinks we sell arms or something. He's not going to run away.
He thinks you sell arms? You're an arm dealer?
We took him to my village one day, and then, you know, one of the guys there, you know, he had all his guns for display. We went shooting and this and that. We were talking about how some guy got kidnapped by the police in the police station, went there, helped him out, and he thinks like we're just like, whoa.
You shook him.
He's like, oh, can't screw with these guys, man.
I'm not leaving.
All right, we got 5 minutes left over here. All right. What do you think about the fake out on gold? For the fake out to work, we need to break a support, which is going to be 1767. So we need to break this for price to really move, you know. So it's all going to depend on how volatile retail sales data is. I keep missing trades. What to do? Maybe don't take as many trades as you're taking. Are you going to use buy stop, sell stops? No, I'm not going to use buy stop, sell stops on gold. Maybe a buy stop above this candle, but other than that, nothing. I may be awake for, hey, Mr. Dyden. Then shows that, hey, yeah, let's go, let's go. Gold is going to go down, I guess. You can't guess. What do you mean? Gold is going to go down, I guess. Does that mean you're going to take sells? You guess it's going to go down? Nah. 15,000 rupees is a monthly budget for about 50,000 households in Pakistan, so he is lucky. Oh yeah, well there we go. $84 a month is a good wage. All right. Pound yen consolidating. All right, Vlad, seems like you're about to take off. Take care, take care. Vlad's about to take off in the air now. Oh. What do you see on GJ? Bullish or bearish? I see consolidation. Has your servant ate today? Man, this guy eats 3 naans per serving. Eats chicken, had like ground beef today. Ground beef with potatoes. Hey man, you find consistent trades on gold and GJ every day. How you do that? No, not today, man. I found a losing trade today. Not too consistent. This month has been just up and down. Haven't taken this month seriously, to be honest. Yeah, this month I haven't taken it seriously at all. Yeah. This is my December here. Just been messing around in December. Negative 12,000. Just fucking around, not even taking this seriously. Alright, let's try to do something here. Let's put a buy stop above this candle. How's the Raja Plaza progress going? Pretty good. Oh. Uh-oh. It's going pretty good. Filed in the paperwork, and I think we're going to start. The structural design is going to get approved in about 2 weeks. And then we can start digging by January, end of January. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. Will you put your name on the wall like you did back in Canada? Yeah, we're gonna change. We're gonna remove this, put like some thing over there, and move my whole desk back over there. Okay, 40 seconds left.
You're gonna gamble it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We have FOMC. FOMC is gonna bring in a lot of volume. I mean, I don't know. Should I put a sell stop here as well? Yeah, see what happens. Got 20 seconds left. How much is it gonna cost? Probably like $500,000. 500,000, something like that. Ooh. Oh. Are we gonna create a lower wick? If it creates a lower wick, I'm gonna close. But if it continues pushing up, I'm gonna leave it open. Oh, are you gonna go up or create a lower wick? If a lower wick comes, I'm gonna close. Oh, here we go. Pushing up here. Come on. Let's go. 10, 12. All right, I'll take it here. 9,000. I'll take 9,000. Bring it to break even here. Yeah. Oh, wow. What a close. Oh,
I
yeah.
closed there too.
Wow. What a close. Well, mitigated some loss here today. That's not too bad. That's all jokes, man. Pound yen is still range. Whew. Like 10, 11 pips. Very nice. Got slipped a little bit, but that's fine. Hopefully not like last time when both were executed. No, man, pretty good. Yeah, we couldn't break above here, so I mean, I think we're gonna have bigger breaks by FOMC or something.
Morning, cowboy.
Hey, good morning, Kervin.
How are you, my friend?
Good, man. Good, good.
Hey, good morning.
Morning, Mac.
Had
Morning,
a
brother.
we won today on a buy stop here on gold today.
I,
Playing with fire today.
I know.
Yeah, that was so sketchy. That was so sketchy.
Because it got activated and then it pulled down. I'm like, uh-oh. Yeah, it tapped into this resistance.
Yeah, pretty much it was a dud.
What was the numbers here?
What up,
Oh,
Erwin?
bad.
Where are you?
Man,
¿Dónde está, hermano?
here, bro. But yeah, buys is kind of dangerous, to be honest. How's Timmy, by the way?
Timmy, oh, he's amazing. He's amazing. Yeah, he passed his 3-month orientation, so he got a pay raise.
Gonna make a corporate video now. Gonna sit him down with headsets in a room. And you gotta watch this video for 10 hours.
Yeah.
Bro.
How do you choose your lot size for buy and sell considering you have no predefined stop loss level to calculate risk? Yeah, the risk was my mouse was on the X button. How were the spreads on that trade? 2 pips plus because it was a very volatile time. It was pretty sketchy too.
Couple chances to get some buys in here, to be honest. Pay attention to the hourly chart and the 4-hour candle. We may see some sort of price in on gold before FOMC, to be honest. So should be really nice if we manage to go 1780 before FOMC, to be honest.
Oh, like
And then dump.
break above this rejection and start to correct from yesterday?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, we're looking at the same thing, man.
If we have any close any at least a 5-minute candle closing about 1774, the body of the candle is really important for me. So should be really nice. I like the idea because of the previous 4-hour range and the hourly candles as well. So previous rejections are coming from 1778. So why not going to 1780? 1780 as well can be a rejection point for FOMC depending on how New York session behaves. But obviously what makes sense is sell all the way. But who knows? I mean, at this point, it's the end of the year basically. So we may see a dump on gold. Overall target, to be honest, for me on gold is 1750. So it would be interesting to see if FOMC sends price, grab liquidity from 1780 and from there start, just dumping and dumping, going toward the 1750 overall.
Also, future contracts should be expiring soon.
They already did on Monday.
You already did?
Yeah, on Monday.
Nice.
Will you stream FOMC? No, FOMC is going to be midnight for me. Wow, pound yen within ranging since London session. All right, guys, I'm gonna head off.
All right, bye. Me too.
Thank you, everyone, joining in. Kervin came late but came correct.
Yeah, Roger.
Came a little late.
There's someone who came in 15 minutes ago. He's like, "Hey, I'm a little late, guys. Did you guys take any trade today?" Bro, you're
Yeah.
2 hours fucking late. What do you mean a little late? All right.
Still pretty early for the 4-hour close, so
Yeah.
it should be interesting.
All right. Adios, amigos.
Adios,
Take
brother.
care.
Take care.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta la
Thank you, Raja.
Thank you.
Adios.
Adios.
Thank you, Raja.
Bye.
Adios.
Oh, we got Antifa.
Is this the last one?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think so. So we're gonna be, we'll do simulation on Saturday or Sunday, and then streams I think will start back on January 2015.
Okay, happy New Year.
All right,
Christmas.
bye bye.
Roger.
Take care.
Take care.